I'm HVAC Repair Guy. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years as an HVAC field service technician, fixing many residential and commercial packaged gas units after salesmen disappeared and warranties aged. Today we're comparing two entry-level packaged gas furnaces, the Arcoaire PGB4 and the AireForce RGEAYB series. A gas pack is an all-in-one outdoor box combining your gas furnace and electric air conditioner. On paper, both deliver 13.4 SEER, 2 cooling and 81% AFUE heating using R454B refrigerant and single-stage gas valves. But when you look at actual construction and factory backing, one clear winner emerges. The AireForce RGEAYB series gives you louvered panel protection over the outdoor coil, offering a physical barrier against hail and lawn debris. Equipment pricing across supply channels for AireForce ranges from roughly $6,093 for a 3-ton model to $9,025 for a 5-ton unit. Arcoaire's PGB4 relies on a wire hail guard, with equipment listings sitting near $6,734 for 5-ton legacy variants and higher list prices on distributor networks before dealer discounts. However, physical cabinet panels don't save you if the internal furnace core fails. The absolute decisive factor in this matchup is factory warranty protection. The heat exchanger is the furnace's heart. A crack means immediate shutdown due to carbon monoxide risks, and replacing one out of warranty is so costly it usually totals the unit. AireForce cuts off all warranty coverage at 10 years across the board. Arcoaire matches the 10-year parts warranty but gives you a lifetime limited warranty on the heat exchanger. On top of that, Arcoaire includes a 3-year no-hassle replacement warranty, meaning if the heat exchanger or compressor fails in the first 3 years, they replace the entire outdoor cabinet. Louvered panels on the AireForce are a nice feature, but they do not offset a hard 10-year expiration on the heat exchanger. If I'm spending my money on a system that sits outside in the elements 365 days a year, I am buying the unit that guarantees the heat exchanger for life. The Arcoaire PGB4 is the definitive winner of this comparison.